Yes.
Okay, day one, 2018 bear hunt up in New Brunswick, Canada.
Nepisiguit Falls.
Yeah, what he said. Sorry, had a bug in my mouth. All right, got Barry. Not sure where he's going to hunt. He's going to kill one today. We got Bobby.
Greenhorn. First
First time hunting.
First
Going to
time,
be
first
exciting
day.
for him.
Get a good picture of him because
Any final words?
Final words, Mom. I should have listened.
and never trust your guide.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's our very important people. Carol.
She's a little buggy, isn't she?
Yeah.
There's always somebody that runs the oration, you know. I don't know if I'll use this.
Where's the dog?
She's the brains.
Oh, he's the brains of the operation.
You let Buddy out. He's the brains.
Okay, Brian, what you got in store this week? Today?
Nothing but fun and excitement.
Have you decided where you're taking us? We've had some.
I have, yes. I've decided.
Some drama this morning.
I've decided where I'm taking you. Strip club in Bathurst.
So we did find out that DNR was doing some spraying out here for some worms or something.
Obviously not black flies. Or
Yeah, it didn't affect the flies. But it's putting the pressure on Brian. All the pressure's on him. We're going to do what he says, and we're going to have a good week.
Bear down.
Sure. Good stuff. Nice coat.
my gosh, I can't believe that. A yearling came in, he's still over in the tree, right over there. The big guy came in, he went over and he's up in the tree right next to me. I took a shot at that bear, put that arrow, rushed the shot, put it right in the shoulder. I cannot believe that. That makes me so sick. It's not the way I wanted to end this hunt. The bear won't die, but it's not the way I wanted to end this. Dang it. Dang it. And now I have to call my bear guide. You can see that the arrow doesn't penetrate, it hits the shoulder. This bear will pull that out or break it off and he'll be fine. It's now October 2019. It's taken me almost a year to get over this and make this video, but I just definitely want to say big thanks out to Brian LeClair for a really fun hunt. We had a great time. And thank you too, Buddy the Bear Dog. Congratulations to Bobby on his first bear and his first hunt ever. And congratulations to Barry for getting his. It was a great hunt and I look back with fond memories. Okay, it's 2018, June 8th. We are leaving for Canada for bear hunting.
Bear hunt 2018?
2018. Barry and I, this is our 5th year, and we're bringing our buddy Bobby here. This is his first year.
Yep. Greenhorn.
Greenhorn. It'll go great.